Patel is also there.
No, no, Sohail Patel is my friend. It's my colleague.
Okay, okay.
He's not participating. He's only joined.
Yeah, fine.
It's fine.
Welcome all. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all? All are fine.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Let's start with event.
Okay.
Our agenda is introduction and guest introduction. After that, participant introduction. After that, I will provide our rules. And after that, I will say that problem statement, that stored procedure. 25 minutes is enough now for that stored procedure optimization. I will share a query. You can all decide time on that.
Sure.
Yeah, that MS SQL Genesis, our goal is to make a platform to collaborate all the knowledge from each expertise and say to each one, create one junction for all MS SQL DBA. May I know your name, from where you are, and your company name, which is your favorite topic in MS SQL? Shubham, you can start.
Okay. So my name is Shubham Gupta, and I have an experience of 5 years in MS SQL Server. And currently, I'm working with Corecard Software Private Limited, that is a payment domain industry. And I am from Bhopal. And my favorite topic in MS SQL Server is like store procedure and that optimization and performance and tuning. Like
Okay.
that's all from my end.
Okay, fine.
Thank
Janardhan?
Yeah. So my name is Janardhan, and I have 3 years of experience. Currently working with Redmond Software Private Limited. So my favorite topic is like a performance tuning. I recently explored things on performance tuning, how other DBS are doing. So that's why I'm joining this event. So to know how other DBS are doing
That's
in
great. That's great.
level. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thanks. Thanks. Hackathon rule that we will provide problem statement. One can use his experience, or you can do also Google for solution. Multiple way there is an approach to do performance tuning.
Mhm.
Yeah, you will have around 25 minutes approx to solve that problem. Output need to reply on chat window. I will tell the final result depending upon the parameters like read count, logical read count.
Okay.
We will share query on chat window. Need to decrease logical read. Need to decrease logical read. Whose aggregate logical read count is less in number will declare as a winner. Max time will get 25 minutes. Logical count should send to me only from chat window.
Okay.
1 second, I will share up stored procedure. Hello Subham, how you can uh, open that stored procedure from your PC as you are a VPN?
Uh, I can copy that from WhatsApp web. Actually, I'm not able to open Zoom, but WhatsApp is open.
Acha, WhatsApp is open. Okay, fine. a simple store procedure. We are filtering profile name, and other is first name. Profile name, other is first name alphabet like M, A, like either profile name is purchasing agent, and first name starting, like first name containing F alphabet will list out. And also,
Okay,
yeah,
first name started with yes,
F
alphabet
is
F,
not
right?
started with F. If a first name containing F alphabet, it will list out, and also that profile name should be a purchasing agent. I will run in my environment first. I already
Okay.
created this store procedure in my environment. I will run only store procedure. I will not create, I will run that store procedure. Like you can see, I'm filtering that contact profile and first name containing F alphabet. Hello, are you able to see my
Okay.
screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
If we can also change M alphabet. Let's try. First name which having M alphabet, it will list out by running the script, and profile containing purchasing agent. There are 4 to 5 types of that profile. You can also see from here once again. There are 20 type of debt profile type. In that, I'm filtering purchasing agent. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I will share this query. The store procedure. First, you run the store procedure on your hackathon DBA. Second hackathon.
Okay.
DBA.
I think we will also need the table structure, I think.
We have that. Already we have.
Table structure is already present in that hackathon. Second hackathon. You can check.
Total we have 4 tables, I believe. Yes.
I'm not able to see the tables on the database.
But I can see that actually in the backup only the tables was given.
Yeah. From that backup file, na? You had restored
Right.
it. You can
Yes.
able to access. I have shared that query on chat window and WhatsApp on both.
Yeah, okay.
I have forgot to mention E and D and at last. You can
Yeah, I
mention
have
that.
added that.
Yeah.
Yes, I have added. So Firoz, is it related to F or M? I think you have changed this letter.
Yeah. Actually, our first motto is like you can see that once again.
Because for M it's 45 rows is affecting.
Yeah. Right. It's F for F. Logical read is for M. Logical read 2745 for F. Both having same logical read.
Oh,
You can
okay.
optimize. We need to optimize that short procedure only.
Okay.
Yeah. I will share that how much aggregate logical read is once again.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, Pros, do you have the query of the tables? Actually, I'm not able to see the table right now also. I have
Have
restored the database twice.
Shubham, no? Hello.
Yeah, Shubham. Yeah, Shubham.
Okay. For that, it will take some time for to export that.
Actually, I have restored twice, but I'm not able to see the tables.
What it's showing? Can you share your screen if possible?
Okay, wait a minute. Can I turn on the video and I'll show you?
From where?
I'm turning on video and I'll show you there.
Okay, okay, fine.
Are you able to see?
One second. Aggregate logical read count is 2751 for that store procedure. Hello, Janardhan and
Yes.
Hello.
yeah.
Yes.
Aggregate read count is
Hello, Firoz, are you there? Firoz, am I audible to you?
Yes, audible. You are audible.
Yeah. Okay, I just shared my result to you.
Yeah, I had checked.
Okay.
Hello, Subham.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, there is only 1 minute left.
Okay. I think I'm done. I'm done with that.
Okay. You can also share that logical read count.
Okay.
Subham, are you sharing logical read count?
Yeah, on WhatsApp.
And on WhatsApp or Zoom? You can share
I
in
shared on
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Subham, you got logical read count 536, right?
Yeah.
And Janardhan, you got
146.
246. Okay.
146.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
I will stop.
Okay. So, can you enable me to as a
I
present?
will make you a host.
Okay. So I think you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So first, I have verified this query in store procedure. So on on which condition they are filtering and everything, I have verified. Next to that, I checked here like what type of execution button is running here. One moment, I have that query also. No. Okay. So after that, I got one missing indexes from execution plan, like person table. So I created that one. After that, I verified remaining tables also, like which table filtering and everything. So I have created two indexes, each for each one index. So I have created a non-clustered index on contact type because it's filtering the profile type.
Okay.
So after that, I have created one more non-clustered index on business entity contact on personality because we are using on join query here. Okay. So and yeah, after that I have verified that by including the columns and everything, and after that I have checked every logical count. So I have got around 486 around. So I have removed that index and I recreated. So after that also I have checked for this estimation execution plan.
Okay.
But so I got one missing index. So I created, but I got the logical count like 436. So again I dropped that index,
Right.
and I created these indexes, only 3 indexes on each table. So I got this query. This
Yeah,
code.
that's great. You had
Yeah.
in large extent you had decreases the logical read count
Yes.
from two from where 247 2047 approx. Where
Yes. Yes.
yeah, that's great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Subham, what you have done? Hello.
I've created only one index on person table.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the index I have only created. I'm just sending on WhatsApp. This is
Okay.
this is the only index I have created on person table, including that
Okay.
on column first name and business entity ID. That's all I do.
Okay. Have you seen that Janardhan what he had done?
Yes, yes, I have seen that.
Yeah, yeah. That's great. Actually, you both are there. Winner
Yeah.
is Janardhan and runner-up is Subham.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Congratulations, then.
Congratulations, both of you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for participation. We will provide a token of winner and runner-up.
Okay.
Sir, I will provide our details. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Thanks for participation. How was that event? How you find that
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
event?
was.
it was good.
Do you have any
Yeah.
feedback?
It was great for me. It was great because this is the first time I doing performance tuning on real time. It's like a real time.
Okay.
So I usually my current organization I will do like check the request and analyze it's time taking process. But here it's like a time limit here. So yeah,
Yeah.
it was one.
Actually, it will help in our day-to-day life. If anything,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
we can get multiple ideas
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, we will meet on another event if possible.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
so please,
Okay.
please let us know about that. We'll join that too.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. I will disconnecting meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.